Hello, everyone. Falling from a height in a dream may seem scary, but what can this dream actually mean? Let's find out together. Falling from a height in a dream, although frightening at first glance, often carries the opposite meaning. This dream indicates that the dreamer will get rid of the troubles and debts in a short time and will transition to a more peaceful and spacious life. In other words, falling in the dream is a sign of rising in real life, falling into emptiness. This indicates that both material and spiritual problems will soon end and a peaceful period will begin. Falling from a balcony, it means to suffer a financial or moral loss, to take on a debt but to be unable to repay it. This is also a sign of temporary distress. Falling from the sky, it is generally interpreted auspiciously. It indicates that you will be a useful person for the family, homeland, and nation, and that you will achieve success in education and business life. Falling into the sea, it means to rise in business and material terms, to help the people around you to receive their blessings. Falling from the roof refers to negativities such as loss of property or harm from the close environment. It is a warning dream. Be careful. Falling due to slipping indicates a serious quarrel with a close relative and negative developments in business life. Falling out of bed, the opposite is a positive dream. It means success, the end of difficulties, and the transition to a happy family life. The meaning of the dream also depends on where you fall. Falling into a ruined, desolate place is a bad sign, but falling into a green, wetland place symbolizes peace. Falling with an injury, it means to be harmed by property or a loved one. It also indicates a difficult process in your life. Falling on someone, it means that your enemies will prevail over you, or you will experience a defeat. Every dream carries a message, sometimes a blessing, sometimes a warning. Don't forget to share your dreams in the comments. Subscribe to our channel. Don't miss new comments.